CasaTunes is the only vendor to offer a standalone music server with whole-house control and intelligent support for AudioControl network amplifiers, eliminating the purchase, configuration, and maintenance of a whole-house automation and control system for audio-only installations. We're going to show you how to seamlessly integrate a CasaTunes server with an AudioControl amplifier. First, access your CasaTunes streamer by navigating to the IP address followed by /Casa setup. This brings you to the CasaTunes CT controller type. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu filled with audio control options. For this demonstration, we've selected the AudioControl M4800 matrix amplifier. For expansive setups, connect up to 6 network amplifiers of the same model to each CasaTunes music server. This setup supports installations across as many as 48 zones or rooms, streamlining your audio control in larger spaces. Simply enter the IP address of your amplifier. In this case, it's 10.1.1.250. Please remember to click the Save button, and that's it. It's linked with no control system at all. Once linked, explore the features CasaTunes offers. Setup zones, like our office zones 1 and 2 here, control volumes and manage AirPlay options and streaming outputs. Enhance your sound experience with tools like the pink noise generator for optimal speaker tuning. AudioControl shines with customizable speaker presets that elevate audio performance significantly. In our setup, we're using Origin Acoustics 10-inch D105 speakers with DSP presets tailored to enhance the listening experience. Best of all, you get all the great features of the CasaTunes music server, including intelligent matrix amplifier control, native apps for Android and iOS smartphones and tablets, voice control, AirPlay support, premium internet radio and music services, built-in disc for personal music collections, AV receiver integration, room grouping, waking and sleeping to music, and much more. CasaTunes provides seamless support and integration with Sonos. This allows customers to use Sonos as a music source and as speakers. For example, you can use a wireless Sonos speaker in a location that was not previously wired. Using the CasaTunes app, you can seamlessly control Sonos, AudioControl, and CasaTunes. You can connect one or more Sonos Connect devices as input sources to an AudioControl network amplifier, and CasaTunes will automatically discover and configure any Sonos speakers as additional rooms in your home. So, let's power up your space with smart, efficient, and superior sound solutions.